Hello YouTube, and today I'm gonna start showing you in a way of tutorial my development process of modeling a vehicle. And I'm gonna model BMW M3 Coupe E92 to be specific. Firstly, you're gonna need a blueprint. I have already downloaded it, but I'm gonna show you where. I use this site which is called theblueprints.com, like this, and then I type in here BMW M3 Coupe, if I recall correctly, and I use this reference image. No, not this one. What was it? Maybe this one. No. Which one did I press before? Okay, I use this one for now. So you need to download it. If you have logged in, you can then download full-size image, which is, you know, full size, like full size. Okay, so once you have downloaded it, you go here in editor, enable those background images and add image. As I said, I have already downloaded the image, so I just put it in here. Go in orthographic by pressing 5 on numpad, and now what you must do is set up them for each view, and this is gonna be my first tutorial. I'm gonna set up them, those blueprints. Yeah, it's gonna be all for this tutorial. So let's get in. Firstly, I'm gonna go in top view. Go to top view and set this to use top. Now for the cars, you want the front, the forward part, to be facing in positive Y. It's this direction as it shows here. There. So we rotated 90 degrees and now it's facing correctly. While in development, the cursor position relatively to cars longitude direction won't matter much, but after you finish you'll have to adjust it for correct weight transfer when having its CG at right point, center of gravity. But for now it won't matter much as far as I'm concerned about it. I'm gonna now move it. You can just drag it a bit and then zoom in to something like this first. Go to something very smooth that would well show out, like this little piece of it. And now you can adjust it. 1.15, 1.125 seems promising. I think here it was very small. 1.12, no, 1.13. Yes, in my opinion, looks correct. Now I'm gonna place approximately this value where the CG may be, or maybe it's better to place it so that it's easier to set up other parts. I'm gonna use not the best thing for reference. I may place it near the mirror and use distance from mirrors as reference for other images. So now let's get in side view. Press 3 on numpad, add new image, and select the very same image. The positive Y is that direction, so the forward should face there. We can do it by pressing flip horizontally. Here I'm gonna set it to right, because we're in the right view. Now I'm gonna adjust its height first. You must approximately know how high the CG is, but you can always adjust it later for the model. I'll assume it here. this height, maybe even lower, like this. And for x value, try placing it so that it looks the same as it did here. It's around 6 centimeters away from the mirror's edge. Don't mistake with the game. Guess this is right. We can compare with something else as well to make sure they sit as well as possible. For example, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and almost 8 units from this point. Yes, it's 80 centimeters where the glass ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's the hood. It's not. Yes, it's approximately where it should be. Let's assume it's fine. When you're modeling, try to adjust it as 100% accurate as possible, but the reference also will rarely be 100% accurate. In most cases, there will have few issues like inaccuracies in images. It's because it's hard to create a real reference for people actually that is 100% accurate. And yes, that's the thing. But the more accurate you set up, the less problems you'll have in the later creation, and the more accurate shape you'll gain. Now I'm gonna press number 1 and go in this view, and it's called front view, but we'll see the rear of car in the front view of here. So you change it to the front, and now you go here. Again, you must aim it as focused on it. You can hold down shift to move it smoother, and then try to adjust it like this. I'm gonna leave it at this because in my opinion okay. Oh, whoa, sorry. What the heck? Okay. Why does it set it like that? Huh, some kind of glitch. I'll leave it like this. Yeah, we'll be fine. Oh, remember that we're gonna use only one side of reference, so it won't hurt that much. But we need to set a marker. What does it do? I am typing one number, but it sets a different one. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. Now I'm gonna go in this view, press Alt Home, and hold cursor here. Hold down and leave it, and press 1. You can see that for now the 3D cursor is very wrong. I'm gonna place it here. Again, hold this here and see. Press 3. It's a bit too high still, so we need to place it somewhere where it looks around the same in both views. So I'm gonna hold cursor here and press 1. We need it a bit upwards. No. still. And now, will it be alright? And approximately, I'll not fight much here, because you don't need to be that smoothly placed. Yeah, you need to be accurate, but I can't afford to waste time now, and for me it will work out well, I think. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl and number 1 to go in front view, which is actually rear view, but for our car it's gonna be front. Here you can copy this number and then see if you need to adjust it a bit, and it seems that I need to do so. Okay, and again we're gonna do the same here. We're gonna try to place the cursor correctly. We're gonna now press 1, Ctrl 1. It's a bit too low. Now, still too low. Looks the same. Looks like the same. Let's see a closer look. Yeah, basically the same height. Okay, and basically now we have all the four reference used set up here. So now you can use your numpad to switch between views, and you can see all the views of your car. And this will be useful in the next part when we are gonna start to move in modeling. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna model hood, because it's the most easy thing to model, and then we can actually lead the rest of front part modeling to match the hood. I'm still not sure how we'll order the modeling, but I am thinking of the fact that we will model hood and then front wings. After that, we will model rear wings, which will be separate. Rear hood. Then we can model any of bumpers. Then only then we'll model the roof, because we'll have to start putting interior in the roof. And after that we can place in door, including door interior. And only after that we can place the bottom part, because it's kind of complex and it's very dependent from others in our case, because we don't have really much reference parts for the bottom part, so we'll have to improvise with it. But I promise that I'm gonna try to do the best. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first tutorial. So press the like and wait for the next one, because it's gonna be really soon, as I'm really interested in making this car fast. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.